Question yedu iyo. You we understand kana kuti chinonzi by. Zoreve kuti by. Alright,
Division.
vakatotsanangurwa. Division. Saka kana dei yangova isina kunyora wedhiri yakangoti 6 times 10 to the power 3 by 8 times 10 to the power minus 2. Zvinotongoreva kuti tidivide. Handiti?
Yeah.
Alright. So let us answer our question. So question yedu yakati 6 brackets times 10 power 3 dividing 8 times 10 power minus 2. I want to give you two questions. I want you to tell me the answer. Question number 1. What is 4 dividing 2? Question number 2. What is 2 dividing 4? Yokutanga, 4 divided by 2 answer ndiani?
2.
Okay? 2 divided by 4 answer ndiani?
Is 0.5.
That is good. So zvaitika apa ndezvekuti 4 divided by 2 zvinoreva kuti 4 over 2 into 2 1 into 4 ndi 2. Unotanza ndiani? Ndi 2. Ndizvo ka? Zvaitika apa ndezvekuti 2 divided by 4 zvoreva kuti 2 over 4 2 into 2 1 2 into 4 ndi 2. Unoti apa ndi half yatinogona kunyora yakati 0.5. Ndizvo?
Yeah.
Handiti? Tinogona kuinyora yakati 0.5 nekuti aya ma-tens saka inge iri 5 over 10 5 into 5 1 5 into 10 ndi 2 kana kuti inodzokera pana half. Ndizvo kaizvo? We are together. Saka ndemakaenda ndikupai zvima examples izvi. I will tell you in a moment. Zvandazviitira ndezvekuti muone kuti inonyorwa kwekutanga yonoenda kumusoro, inonyorwa pechi2 yonoenda pazasi. Kureva kuti this will be equal to 6 times 10 to the power 3 over 3 times 10 to the power minus 2, like this. Handiti?
Right.
Tadaro manje takuda kuchiseparata zvinhu zvedu. Tinozviseparata sei? Takudai so. Takuda kutora manumbers odivide pawo ega. Tomanyora takati 6 over 3 like this. Doti times. Totora ane mapowers 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 power minus 2 like this. And so I need confirmation at every stage with Manzusis. You see?
Already.
Yeah. Saka, are we together by stage?
Yeah, it is.
All right, that's good. Saka panapa manje takutsvaka a common factor inopinda muna 6 inopinda muna 8. 2 into 6 ndiani common factor ndakuda kumberi. Ndatotaura ndiani? Saka 2 into 6 ndiani? 3 ka?
3.
4 into 8
into 8 into 4.
Saka kuno kutatoa nani? 3 over 4. Times. Panapa itakuda kuita rearrange. Tinoinyora iri 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 2 like this. You see? This transition, it's clear. This transition, is it clear? Baba kuyapa.
Yeah, it's clear because 10 to the power 3 ndio anganguri kwekutanga.
Good. So tadai so much. Takuti panapa takuda kuapply a law of this. Law iyi inoti kudini? Inoti 10 to the power A divided by 10 to the power B is equal to 10 to the power A minus B. And?
Yeah.
3 over 4 in decimal form G. 3 over 4 in decimal form G. 3/4.
Okay.
All right. I want to try. Kala inooneka here is. Zviri kuoneka here zvandari. All right, so you have to know this. You have to know kuti half in decimal form is 0.5. Handitika. Then 1/4 in decimal form then 0.25. Handiti. 3/4 in decimal form 0.75. Handitika. So zviri kungoitika apa ndezvekuti tinotanga nekota toenda pahalf toenda pa3/4. Quarter 0.25, half 0.5, then 3/4 0.75. Tinomawana sei manumbers aya? Tinomawana by division. So in our previous lesson, tamboita the division of fractions. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 1, 0, comma, that's like a placeholder. 4 into 10, then 4, 8, 2. And remainder 2. And 2 ino shares a placeholder kumberi kwayo. 4 into 20 then 5. Saka ishi. Mazona.
Yeah.
2 into 2, 1. 2 into 1, 0, comma, there's a placeholder. 2 into 10, 5. So on kwa futi. Izoga.
Yeah.
4 into 4, the 1. 4 into 3, 0, comma, there's a placeholder 3. 4 into 30 is 7. Because chat 7, 14, 21, 28. Remainder 2, there's a 0 kumberi. 4 into 20, 5. Izoga. So, I hope you now see why panapa tichifangwa kunyora takati 0.75. I convert 3/4 into a decimal. We are together there. Are we together? Times panapa ichaita 10 to the power 3 minus 2. Are we together here? Because the 3 inofunga kusubtracta power iri kunuku. Saka 3 iri kusubtracta minus 2. Ngati 3 minus 2. And ndosaka ndaisa minus 2 muma brackets to show the difference between my minus ayari 2. E minus E yekutanga iyi ekubva pamutemo the law. E minus H2 iyi is sign ya B. Yatiri kuti B is this one. I hope you understood zvaitika apa. Okay. Saka panapa takuti 0.75 times 10 to the power 3. Takati kana ma minus achisangana anochinja kuti achiigara zviya
Positive
minus kana. Saka 3 plus 2 panapa. Kureva kuti tina 0.75 times 10 to the power 5. Is this our final answer? Is that our final answer?
No, because our A has to be between 1 and 10.
So what do we have to do?
We have to move the comma from left to right, which is going to give us 7.5. The answer being minus.
So it's 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 1. This okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Times 10 to the power 5. But panapa tichapply futhi 10 to the power E times 10 to the power B should equal to 10 to the power 1.
Equal to 10 to the power A plus B.
You see that? So our final answer is going to be 7.5 times 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 7.5 times 10 to the power. What is minus 1 plus 5? What is minus 1 plus 5?
minus 4.
Minus 1 plus 5. When the signs are
Minus
different, you
4.
subtract. When the signs are
Minus
different, you
4.
subtract. When the signs are different, you subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. You subtract normally.
Okay,
5
yeah.
minus 1 4. Saka answer
Yeah.
ndiani?
Before. Before.
Before answer. Why? Because remember takati tina minus 1 plus 5. Panapa we said we can rearrange if we keep the original signs. Ndova kuti 5 minus 1 izvakafanana izvo.
Yeah.
You see?
Mm.
So this is going to be our final answer. 7 over 5 times 10 to the power 4. Any questions?
No.
All right.